Hi everybody, this is Robert again from Asia Pacific Gardening. After holiday season, so this is the New Year's, you probably see this bonsai they call in the big box retailer, and also you make it a gift for someone as a Christmas gift, or by yourself you want to decorate in home and office, and you select it because this tree is called bonsai. What's the difference? So today I'm going to discuss with you about this bonsai right here. This is the ficus, and how to upgrade this ficus, and what's the problem of this ficus if you continue to grow in this kind of condition. So the condition of this bonsai, they're using two different containers. One is a plastic container, two is a ceramic container. But this ceramic container, no hole. You probably see my previous video talking about the container. We suggest the container have a hole on the bottom for the drainage system. We also suggest have a fit on the bottom, so when you display, so at least some space in between, so the water can drain from the bottom.
And also air circulation on the bottom of the container.
Correct. The plastic container, basically this is the growing, like from the nursery, grow this way, they take it out and plucking right there, so they don't need to repot it. So that's why cost less money, because they not do a lot of work. Just plucking right here, look nice, and they go right there. So this soil right here probably not suggest. I suggest you consider change the soil to get better soil, because this soil not breathable very well, and this soil you can see here is really wet. If you continue to grow like this, most likely the quality will be down. If you continue like the plant grow in this kind of condition, basically you like the plant surviving, is not thriving. So it's quite different quality. Our purpose is we want to grow healthy plant, let it grow healthy, and continue. You can working on that, training the tree, go to the better level. Look at this nursery container right here. Even right here, they have a drainage space right here. When you overwater, they will drain it up from the bottom, so it gets us a space. So it's almost like this is the fit of the container. But compare with this, there's no fit, no drainage. That's a big difference. So if you take it out this tree from the nursery like this, they pluck in. When this tree put in the container like this, it's nice looking. For the interior design, they like this color, you know, and there's no drainage because the water not going to damage your table. So a lot of people like display like this. Let me show you why the issue when you water this bonsai, what's the problem then will be going on. So let me bring the water and going to water this one here. I'm going to water this plant right here. Of course, you can say, oh, you overwatered the plant. But I will show you the real bonsai pot.
Okay, so look at all the water that's just pooling there, right? So let's pull this tree out and look at what it's doing. See, now it's draining. You want the bonsai to drain like this, but the problem is it doesn't go anywhere. So now the tree has no air circulation in the roots, and water is pooling in there, and that's what will cause root rot.
Just pulling out one of the bonsai from our nursery right here, show you what's the difference. Look at the feet right here, and that's the air circulation is very important thing. So the container not flat like the other one right here. See, no space. That's the not good idea for growing real plant. Remember, you growing tree is not only plant. The tree, they need the drainage system. And looking at the bottom right here, see there's a hole on the bottom. That's the when you overwater, they will drain it out. But the other one right there, If you overwater, then basically you grow the tree in the swimming pool. That's not healthy for the plant. Now I would like to show you when you water the bonsai tree with this kind of container, what they look like. Remember, the other one is like the water just not go through here. Just a drain from the bottom.
Look at that. You can see the water come out and there's still air circulation. Whereas the other one, it never drained out. It just pooled in there.
This is very important to get the right bonsai container. So don't use the wrong pot with the container without the hole. That's a one.
Look at it. It's still. Look how much water is pooled in there.
And also this one is a glaze inside, so they cannot breathe. So hard to get the air circulation. So your tree going to get the less oxygen. It's mean in the future not going to grow healthy. We want to make a plant grow in the good healthy condition. Then your plant will be continued to training with.
Yeah, it's not fair that you purchase a plant and put it in the condition where it's just surviving. We want the plant to thrive, and you achieve that, first of all, the right bonsai container with the right soil, and you want the plant to breathe and water drains properly.
This kind of condition, so people talking about don't overwater the plant. Of course, this plant, there's no way they can drain the water. You can see the water still in the bucket. Basically, your tree is growing in the swimming pool. We want the tree growing in the right soil system. You cannot overwater this kind of soil because there's a drainage system, nice soil mix. That's quite different. That give you the plant have better oxygen and they will survive better. This is why people say don't overwater the bonsai, because they get the wrong soil, wrong container put right here. If you overwater it, that would be a problem. And of course, you're going to overwater the plant because there's no drainage system. Now, after we study the different thing right here, we're going to move this bonsai with this kind of quality. We're going to upgrade to the proper bonsai pot. Let's take a look what they look like, how to upgrade this. Now we're not going to use this pot anymore because there's no hole. Okay, so I'm going to put back down right here. Take a look this one here, and we're going to see here there's no drainage system. This is the nursery grower to grow the plant. It's a little bit different than if you're growing the bonsai. So we're going to open up this a little bit.
And then in the bonsai pot, we selected this one. Gotta have a layer of lava rock to act as a drainage layer.
And just open up a little bit. Then I'm going to put the layer of the soil on the bottom. Put this tree, and I believe this is the front. We can make adjustment a little bit and put this. Let it sit right here, then we're going to wire down. And later on, after we pot it, you can see how when you water the plant is quite different. Move this right here.
Wire to tie down this tree because it's so top heavy.
Just make sure no air pocket on the bottom. And this one probably easier, not going to have air bucket because there's not a lot of root system open up like there. Just make sure, put the soil down, Where's the wire? Oh, right here. So we're going to tie up the wire because this tree is really tall. You need I suggest to wire the tree to security.
Yes.
So let's take a look on the other side. Let me go to the front.
And we didn't even really do, well, actually we did zero pruning. We literally just planted it at a different angle, and changed the container, changed the soil, gave it proper drainage. So now this tree is no longer just surviving. We want to get to the point where it's thriving.
And also looking for the stone, maybe. Now we selected the stone right here to cooperate with the tree, get some character. And this is the Ying Stone. You can see the tree just attached to the stone. Looks perfect to decorate it. Then not only the tree put in the pot, that would be a different upgrade right here. Let's grab some moss, see what they look like. Now we finished this repotting. We added the moss, and you can see the tree. We didn't do any pruning. It's a nice tree, but it's only problem. The point is we need to change the pot, change the soil system. You can see how much the upgrade right now by adding the rock, moss, and also we select the container. Look at the container here. There's a fit on the bottom, okay? There's a fit, so when the water, they will drain it out.
And air circulation.
And hopefully you like this upgrade. Tell your friend if they have a tree like this, you're welcome to come down to us right here. We can share our knowledge, or they can buy the pot from us to repot it, to select. We have many different kind of container, of course.
Yeah, we got a ton.
And this is the one. And this tree here, they will build an air root. Look at this right here. This is really nice air root. They will touch down. This one air root right here too. Really good potential tree.
Yeah, if this touches, sorry, my hands are dirty. This touches the ground, it becomes thickens like an air root.
Yeah. So thank you for watching this video, and hopefully you get some information. You're welcome to share with your friend. Put subscribe, and looking forward to see you soon. Every Friday we're going to post the new information about the tree, about the bonsai.
See you next week.